In trading, hesitation costs money. I'm the Fear, and over 50,000 traders already follow my open Telegram channel. That's where I share daily free signal, my strategy, and the same insights I use in every session. Join us, the link in the description. Let's trade with precision.
Say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking toll. Find me out here on my own.
EURCAD. The chart showed that after a strong upward movement, the bullish momentum started to fade. Candles are losing strength and the alligator indicator lines are intertwining and turning downward. The price has tested the resistance level several times but failed to break above it. I see the formation of a local pullback transitioning into a downtrend. So I opened a PUT trade for $30 with a duration of 3 minutes. Everything is logical. The candles confirm a change in direction and the alligator signals are reversed. Want to earn with trading but don't want to spend months studying charts and indicators? Here's a simple way to start right now. I created a VIP channel with live sessions where I share my exact entry points in real time. Just copy the trades and profit with me. Message me on Telegram to join and get 240 signals per month. Link in the description. The trade closed confidently in profit. The price continued to move downward and consolidate below the entry level, just as expected. Profit $27, total payout $57. A great example where technical analysis and candle behavior perfectly confirm the entry. Moving to the next trade. CHF GPY. The chart shows a clear downtrend. Candles are cascading downward, and the alligator lines are fully open and directed lower. However, the last few candles show a slowdown. Their bodies are shorter and lower wick are longer. The first sign of seller execution. I expect a short corrective impulse upward, so I opened a call trade for $57 with a duration of 3 minutes. Now I'll watch how the price reacts to the support level. If buyers hold it, the upward move will continue. Want to trade smarter and stay in full control? Meet ZFX, the AI-driven trading robot that tracks every shift across real market, crypto, OTC, and stocks, all in one place. It scans 15 top currency pair, 20 crypto coins, 50 OTC assets, and 50 major company stocks, giving you precise entries with 86% accuracy. No motion, no guesswork, just data and execution. 24/7. Type "I want ZFX" to see how it works or message me on Telegram. I'll help you set it up. Link in the description. Back to the trade. As expected, after a series of short candles, the price confidently bounced off the support level. Buyers managed to seize the initiative, and the candles closed above the entry point. The result: trade closed in profit with $109 payout and $52 net profit. A great example of a precise counter trend and during a local pullback. AUD USD. The chart showed the end of a corrective rise within a broader downtrend. The price approached the zone where the alligator lines begin to converge, and the green and red lines have already crossed downward, signaling the start of a new downward impulse. Candles with low upper wick confirm seller pressure. Every time the price tries to rise, it pushed back down. I opened a PUT trade for $110 with a duration of 3 minutes, aiming to catch the continuation of downward impulse along the main trend. Want to trade stress-free without guessing? Private trading equals ready-made signals and personal support. Follow me, copy the trades, earn money. That's simple. Message me on Telegram. I'll help you connect. Link in the description. The move unfolded exactly as expected. The market continued to decline and candles confidently closed below the entry level. The alligator confirmed the downward direction, fully justifying the entry. Result: profit of $101. Total payout $211. Another example of a precise trend following entry where candles structure and the alligator indicator align perfect. EURCAD. After a strong downward impulse, the market started forming a reversal structure. The price reached an important support zone, where candles stopped setting new lows and begin showing signal of a buyer activity. The alligator lines are starting to contract, preparing for an upward reverse. The last candle closed with a long lower wick, clear signal of buyer presence. I opened a call trade for $211 with a duration of 3 minutes. The logic is simple. Enter at the beginning of a corrective impulse after a downtrend, confirmed by candle patterns and the indicator's behavior. Want to earn passively? Connect to copy trading. Every time I trade, your account replicates. Same entries, same exits, same result. You don't need years of experience. Just connect your account and start profiting. Many already made between $500 and $1,000 in their first week. Not luck, but discipline and structure. If you want to follow a real trader with a clear values, message me on Telegram. Link in the description. The market played out perfectly. After a short consolidation, a confident upward movement began. The alligator opened up toward growth, and buyers pushed the price above the entry level. Result: the trade closed in profit. Profit $194 and total payout $405. A perfect example of a reversal entry where market structure and candle patterns fully confirm the decision. Today's session went exactly according to plan. All entry points were based on candle analysis and confirmed by the alligator indicator. We took 4 consecutive trades, and every single one closed in profit. Calm, structured, and strictly by the system. EURCAD showed a perfect reversal entry. CHF-JPY confirmed the strength of support. AUD-USD delivered a clean trend continuation, and the final EURCAD trade was another textbook reversal setup. Total profit for the session $375. The result of steady, disciplined trading without Merton angle or emotional entries. That's how I trade. Clear logic, no emotions. If you want to see how I analyze the market every day, join my open Telegram channel. Over 50,000 traders are already there, learning from real entry, market news, and daily signals. The link in the description. See you inside.